One of my favorite ways to develop the pistol squat, which really helped me build a lot of strength and confidence in that deep bottom position of the pistol, is using a weight. This counteracts the weight of your hips, and it makes it a little bit easier for you to sit down there. All you're gonna do is find your balance first, again, hold the plate away, and then we're gonna lower it down slowly and stand. And that really helps you find that deep bottom position and helps build a lot of confidence and strength in your knees and your ankles and your hips in the bottom of the pistol.